The YUANZIMOO Telescope 70mm Refractor Kit offers a larger aperture that enhances brightness and provides a wide field of view, making it ideal for astronomical observations. Equipped with high-quality Super Kellner eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, this telescope delivers a versatile magnification range from 16 to 140 times. Its 360-degree rotatable zenith mirror allows for flexible astronomical observation angles, and the included finder scope aids in accurately locating celestial objects. The adjustable tripod, ranging from 21 to 47 inches, ensures a stable viewing experience, accommodating different user heights and preferences. This telescope is designed for ease of use, with a straightforward installation process that requires no tools, making it perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. The portable design includes a carrying bag and wireless remote, adding convenience for users who wish to explore the night sky on the go.